Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the security checkup required message and the review your contact info problem on your account. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and scroll down. Now tap on the Instagram and force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back and now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar, allow back. Call logs, allow back. Camera, allow back. Contacts, allow. Location, allow. Microphone, allow. Nearby devices, allow. Back, phone, allow. Photos and videos, allow. And now tap on the notification option and turn on. Okay, and back, allow all permission and back, and turn off any VPN. Now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Done. Restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your Play Store, search for Instagram and check update your Instagram. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Or another option, now uninstall your Instagram app and again install your Instagram app and now open your Instagram. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.